A Noco Boost is a solid companion when your starter battery decides to pack up without any warning. However, how do you charge this little badass companion for the road, valid in times of battery performance and failure alike? There are three primary ways, and the last one is unconventional and will shock you. So, here we go. The first way of charging the Noco Boost portable jumper is via the standard cable provided, paired with a wall socket from your phone or tablet. This is perfect for recharging the Noco Boost at home or when you are generally convenient. The second way is to use your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter port, which is perfect for those moments on the road. This is made possible with the included adapter relying on the power from your vehicle's battery. The last and novel way to charge the Noco Boost portable jumper is to use a medium to large power bank, which is very innovative. Today, everyone has a power bank and usually a powerful one at that. The stored juice from your power bank can easily be used to recharge the Noco Boost, even if only for a few minutes to help get a jump. That's it for how to recharge the Noco Boost portable jumper. If you found this video useful, consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more concise, straight to the point, auto-related knowledge. Catch you on the next one.